My name is Farmo for FKIP. I will share my PPT room in here. So this is my presentation in the title, 5+1 newspaper organizer, a classroom strategy for developing student reading skill, written by Nurlina Supiani Iwan Perdana for University Islam Kalimantan. Introduction. Reading is one of 4 English language skills that must be taught by teachers at schools. This skill is provided to prepare student competence in understanding and comprehending a text. Bergimos, 2011. The researchers try to solve the student problems in teaching and learning, reading by implementing 5+1 newspaper organizer. This is one of reading strategies in teaching and developing student reading skill, and it is done in group, private, or individual. The strategy of 5+1 newspaper organizer refers to learning activities to classify, identify, and summarize information systematically from print materials. Belanka, 2007. The research method. In this study, the research used a qualitative method to investigate the implementation of 5+1 newspaper organizer as a class strategy to develop reading skill in students in one of the junior high school, South Kalimantan Province. Participants in the study were English teacher and 20 students. The data were taken from observation in which the research recorded the teaching and learning process in the classroom and then interviewed an English teacher and several students to find their response in using the strategy. The first meeting. In the first, the teacher asks the student to knowledge of the written text. The teacher explained about the written text material, which is to explain the definition, purpose, generic structure, and language patterns of the written text. And the second meeting, the teacher introduced about 5+1 newspaper organizer. 5+1 newspaper organizer is a we have question in each column to help students organize information from the text. We have questions are who, what, where, when, how, and why. The teacher applied 5+1 newspaper organizer as a strategy to develop student reading skill. The third meeting, after the student understand the strategy, the teacher instruct them to practice. The teacher then divided the student into 5 groups or 4 members in each group and then gave a written text question entitled Go to the Market, including 5+1 newspaper organizer to each group. The student and teacher response. When the 5+1 newspaper organizer strategy was implemented at the classroom, implementing the 5+1 newspaper, some students were confused and first seemed difficult. Then with the teacher, they were also able to identify difficult types of words and remain text words easily. Based on the finding, research conclude that implementing 5+1 newspaper organizer as a classroom strategy good way for developing student fluent reading. 5+1 newspaper organizer is a tool that helps students to classify and organize the information in a text. The implementation of 5+1 newspaper organizer as a classroom strategy for developing a fluent reading. The 5+1 newspaper organizer strategy leads the student to be more active for discussing and make the student develop their reading skill. The student and teacher respond look happy to use it at the class. Based on the findings, in conclusion, the research conclude that implementing 5+1 newspaper organizer as a classroom strategy is a good way for developing student fluent reading. 5+1 newspaper organizer is a tool that helps students to classify and organize the information in a text. The implementation of 5+1 newspaper organizer as a classroom strategy for developing a fluent reading. The 5+1 newspaper organizer strategy leads the student to be more active for discussing and make the student develop their reading skill. The student and teacher respond like happy to use it at the class. So this is my presentation and thank you.